In today's printer service advisory, we are going to be reviewing an online tech support tool. It is the HP Printer Service Pro Challenge, located at metrofuser.com, and it is a 22-question quiz that allows service managers to test their staff to see how they compare with other HP technicians nationwide. Companies are also using it as a way to test potential job applicants and new hires. The questions are curated from MetroFuser's 16-year history of providing printer service training and from over 40,000 tech support calls. The questions themselves cover error code, familiarity, image defect troubleshooting, paper jam diagnostics, printer network knowledge, color printer understanding, and firmware problem solving. Downloadable and shareable certificates are available for users that receive passing grades, and the confidential results will be shared with participants only. To locate the quiz, you just navigate to metrofuser.com, click on the HP Printer Service Pro Challenge, and complete the quiz. And you'll see there's also a leaderboard that's updated pretty much daily. You could see where you are or in adjacent to other technicians nationwide. Hope you enjoy these original videos. If you do, please like and share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, have a good day.